this is a fully working university website. It has all these pages, faculty, blog, contact, and I'm going to show you how to set everything up within the next 15 minutes. I'm going to give you the cheapest possible options to set everything up. So yeah, if you have any questions at any point, post them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Okay, so to have a website like this, you need two things. You need a domain, which is myuniversity.com, and you need a host, which will have different prices. So the domain will probably cost about $10 a year. Host will have different prices, but I'm going to show you the cheapest options you can find. So yeah. Okay, so to be completely transparent with you guys, I am affiliated with two popular hosting providers. One is hosting.com and the second one is hostinger.com. There's links to both of them in the description. If you use my links to make a purchase, it basically gives me a small commission and it helps me continue making these videos. If you don't want to use the affiliate links, you can just go directly to the websites and that's totally fine. So at the time I'm making this video, Hosting has a deal that starts at $199 and Hostinger starts at $299 a month. Hosting has a better 1-year option. It totals to $24 and that includes the domain for the first year. Okay, so let's just go with 1 year and then server location. Just pick the closest location to your users. I'm gonna go with Germany because I'm in Europe, and then register a new domain. Let's just go with myawesomebusinessllc.com. Let's see if that's available. It is. Add to basket. Okay, great. Confirm and proceed. Okay, now for some reason they make you buy the domain for 2 years, but we can change that. Just click on edit and then switch from 2 years to 1 year, and that makes it free. Confirm and proceed. Okay, great. So now that totals to $24. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay, continue. Okay, let's add our billing. Okay, great. Order complete. And now we can just go and set up our website. Okay, so let's go to all products and then click log into control panel. Okay, now scroll down and find WordPress Manager at the bottom right here or right here. It's the same thing. Click install. And then you make sure protocol is set to HTTPS. Leave the directory empty. Give your site a name and a description. And uncheck all these plugins. We're not going to use them. Set an admin account, so username and password. And make sure you set up the email too. And just click install. Okay, now to do the same thing on Hostinger, click on, go to your dashboard and click on create and then business. Or just pick any of these types. Select WordPress and then pick the language, add your email and password. Uncheck all these plugins, skip the AI, and now if we go to our website, we should be looking at a fresh WordPress installation. The page should be accessible, it should work. So now let's add /admin to our URL, login. Okay, now let's go to appearance themes and add theme and search for Bosa University. Okay, and let's install the first one. Now activate. Okay, now click get started. Okay, now let's dismiss all these banners. Okay, and scroll down, click import, click install, next, yes, import. Okay, now let's take a look at what we have. Okay, so at this point we have a fully set up website with all these sections. We have a homepage, about us, faculty, blogs, contact page. Everything looks great. Now the last thing, or the next thing we're going to do is set up our own information. So add our own details, our own images and everything. But before we do that, let's try to fix these icons because they are way too big. They're not supposed to be that big. So go to dashboard and Elementor settings and then go to features and deactivate all these beta ones and inline fonts. Click save, and now let's refresh the page and scroll down. Okay, they look fixed, looks great. Okay, so let's get started making changes. Let's start with the header. So let's say you want to replace the logo, go to customize, header, actually never mind, site identity, and you have the logo. Click change logo, upload, and that's it. Just add the logo. If you don't have one, go to Canva and search for university logo and just pick from any of these templates. Add your own university name, change the colors and just export it, add it back in Canva, and that should be it. Okay, so we've set up the logo. Okay, now let's go back to our home page and go to header and make some changes. Okay, so we're done with the logo. Let's right click this, edit top header style. Let's say we want to change the color of this section. Click on the style color and then click on the color and just replace it, or just, you know, add the new color, and that's it. Now we have these social links. Click on edit and just expand them, add your own links, or maybe you don't have some social platforms, so maybe you don't have Pinterest. Click on X, remove it. Contact information, same way. If you want to replace icons, click on the icon. If you want to change the text, you can change it on the left side. Email. Okay, maybe, so we don't have anything related to logging in, so account management, so we're going to remove these sections. Okay, so let's remove those buttons and let's move the social links on right here. Let's change the style a bit, so go to style. Okay, primary color. Let's make them, okay, that looks good. Okay, now let's publish this. So we're done with the header. This is what we have so far. It looked great. Now let's try to make some changes to the footer. So hover, footer, and okay, we're probably gonna make the text completely white because I don't like the color. So style, title, color, general. Okay, it's the description. Okay, style, text. Okay, style, text, and this thing too, text. Okay, that looks better. Style, text, and let's remove powered by still. Okay, text color. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so the logo is gonna get picked up automatically from customize and site identity, so it will be applied globally, both in the header and then the footer. If you want to change social links, same exact way, expand, add a link, or just remove links. Change the text, change the links, remove links, so go to content, remove some, change the university hours, remove the button, right click, delete if you don't want him. If you want to undo things, click Control or Command Z, and you're gonna undo changes. Once you're done, click publish, and you're all set. Okay, so we've set up the header and the footer. Now let's focus on the actual page content. So to edit the page content, go to edit with Elementor. And we're gonna make changes the same exact way. It's really simple. So if you want to change things, click on edit or on the section, and on the left side you have all the settings available. Just replace them. So add your text, add a description, subtitle, go to style, change the colors, change anything you want. If you want to change this banner, right click, edit container, go to style. Okay, that's not it. Let's try to find background overlay, border, layout. No, it's not this one. Okay, it's this one. So click on this icon, and then you have style, image, choose image, insert media, and then just replace the image with your media, and it will get replaced. To change these logos, click on edit, and then you have images, right click right here, click on them, edit, and then just upload your logos, and they will get updated. These progress bars, you can change the percentage, the duration. If you want to remove some, right click, delete. Images the same exact way like we just talked. So just go through the whole page, add your own content, remove things. They will get updated automatically. Now we have the blog section. We're not gonna use, or maybe you want to have the blog, so you can just keep it, but the way it works is you go to dashboard and posts, so you can see all these posts, and they appear both on this section and on the blog page right here. Blog. So if you want to remove a blog post, just click trash. If you want to create one, click add post, add your title, description, and hit publish, and it will appear on both those sections. If you don't want the blog, just click X, remove the blog section, and that's it. But we're just gonna keep it. So, okay, at this point, we're done with making changes on the homepage. Let's move on to the next page, which is about us. Works the same exact way. Click Edit, and just make your own changes. Add content, and so yeah, just click Edit, add stuff, and once you're done, just click Publish, and yeah, that's it. Okay, on the blog page, you're not able to edit it, but like I said, the way it works, it just picks up the blog posts from the blog management platform section, whatever it's called. If you want to customize this sidebar, go to Customize and find Widgets, and then you have right sidebar, and you have all these sections. If you want to remove them, click Remove. If you want to add new things, add widget, pick from any of these components. I don't know, image, and just add image. I don't have any images right now. Okay, let's just add this. Okay, and that's it. And hit Publish, and you're done. Okay, so the last page we're gonna customize is the contact page. We might have to fix a form. Okay, so it doesn't show up. So go to Edit. Okay, scroll down and click on this error. And on the left side, you have Style. Pick the contact form. Okay, that fixed it. Now let's publish, and we're all set except for this Google Map. So click on Edit, and the way it works is it needs an API key. Click on Integration Settings, and here's where you would paste the Google API key. To get one, go to the Google website, create an account, add your credit card information, generate a key, and that's it. The only issue is they give you a free number of credits, but once you go past that limit, they will charge you money. If you don't want to spend any money, you can simply just remove the map, and that's it. You already have the address right here. You should be fine. If you still want a map, but you don't want to pay anything, you can simply take a screenshot of Google Maps and just go and add an image right here. Upload the image and just link it to Google Maps, and it's almost the same thing. The only difference is that you won't be able to pan across the image like you would across a map embed, but it shouldn't be that bad. Okay, so at this point, everything is set up. Everything is working. Site is accessible. Everything looks great. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them. If you like the video, if you find it useful, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it.